Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find device care. And now let's scroll down and localize this app protection. Let's simply tap on it and tap on Scan Tablet. As you can see, your device will scan itself. It will scan all of the apps in order to find any kind of malware, viruses or problems, and after that it will show you the results. Here we've got the most desired results, that no threats has been detected, so everything looks okay. Of course, if your device will find something, it will inform you about it. It will show you also a way of how to get rid of that malware. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.